welcome back to the channel. Today I will be taking the exhaust off of the Bandit to get some metal repaired on it. It has a little bit of an exhaust leak down at the collector and the mid pipe, and that needs to be addressed because it's making me crazy. Alright, let's just dig in and see where it takes us. That's not it. This one's it. That one. That one. Oh, we'll see how. I'll show you how I fixed it to make it a little less noisy than it was. All right, where? Oh. There we go. Let's get all the hard stuff out of the way first. Should probably find a pair of gloves because the header wrap is going to be crappy. Where are you at? There you are. Shield. And here is, all the exhaust wrap that was used. Okay, what else do I need? $12. Give me 12. 12, 12, 12. Oh, lefty loosey. Not righty loosey. More parts. Okay, what was next? That's not it. Oops. What was this one? Nope, 13. See how many different sizes. See how many different sizes I can use to get this apart. Come on. There's one. Oop. Don't lose that. Come on. Now, for the fun of it, should we start it with no exhaust on it? I better not. Come on. Ta-da! And this is not the size that the problem is on. Now, let's see. Yeah, oh yeah. I almost forgot what I did here. I think I put JB Weld on the header wrap at the base of it, but it still seems to come. It's coming apart. That is all right. This is the easy part. Oh yeah. You need to come over and take a look at this. All right, we're coming out of the pool. So, Suzuki, in their infinite wisdom, stainless. The other pipe, stainless. Mild steel, you can see 1/3 of it is gone. There, we'll move you in a little closer here. Let's get to the good part. Alright, there's all my pieces, parts. Now let's get to the part. Get to the part where I take off the header. I have some new copper crush gaskets for that. Where is my extendo? There it is. We're going to see how easy or hard this is going to be. I can't remember. Is it this size? Nope. This one? Nope. Holy. I don't even know what's going on here. Okay. These ones should... Hey. When this goes back together, I got some new Allen bolts for it. And I have... What do I have, James? Some copper anti-seize, which will go in because, you know, stainless steel and aluminum, they become very close friends. And then it's basically welded together. Okay, and I suppose I gotta drop my oil cooler. Okay, let's see, we got a rag in it. Ain't got no gas in it. Okay, let's see. Which would be the best? I don't have a good set of Allen keys themselves. But if I can get in, oh yeah, I can just get in close enough with the oil cooler. The pipe moved out of the way. Oh no, not the right size because I put two different kinds of Allen bolts in because I wanted the out one side one's pretty, but can I get a good tap on that? Is that in there? Oh no, no, no. Okay, here's the start of the downfall. shouldn't be in that tight. They're only supposed to be in at friggin' 16 or 20 foot-pounds. But I have one that's going to give me grief. So let's see. Let's see. Find a hammer and give some of these a tap. A little tap, tap, tap. All right. Let's see. Let's see. You out of the way. There's that one. He did it. Oh. Okay, done. Let's see. Jeez. These are all crusty. Should have sprayed these down with something, I think. What do I got? Okay. Hopefully, luckily, everything will be taken apart. There's that one, hopefully. There it is. Okay, now you gotta be careful because these things have probably been on there a while. So just go back and forth. Back and forth. Back that one out. Let's try for the other ones. I'll spray some more stuff on it. Because we definitely do not want a broken stud. Okay, let's come back to this side. Come on. Bummer. This is gonna be rough. Oh, it moved. That's it. I got one more to get loose. My spray stopped spraying. There it is. I'm trying not to beat the crap out of the oil cooler too. No need to beat the fins up. What did you think? So let's see. Here's that. Hmm. Maybe I have more room if I do this first. Nope, didn't beat nothing up. Okay, let's see. Other side come loose, so I'm hoping. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh. Oh, bugger. So the two innermost ones are going to be late, loose and tighten, loose and tighten. Okay, let's spray some more stuff on you. Well, wait a minute. Pulling the wrap off the bike. Oh, that stuff's just like friggin' fiberglass. It's just so bad. Now, hopefully. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. I hope this one comes out because this is going to be stripped. Oh, no. All right, let's start working on some of the other ones. That one started anyway. Loosen that off more, maybe that will help. Ooh. And maybe I can polish this up a bit while it's off. Not too bad. Out of 8 of them, only 2 of them are giving me something that resembles grief. Yeah, if you're ever doing exhaust work, definitely put on the anti-seize. Okay, let's try the other ones. Oh, this one's coming for it. I may as well. If it's going all the way. come all the way. That is fantastic. We'll get these ones out. And then I got one. It's loose, but I'll find something to punch in the guts there. Oh, and the front of this engine is going to be so clean when I'm done. Right. Definitely have to try and clean up the at least the end. The end ones, I think the only thing had going for me there was that I changed them out to stainless to try and make them look prettier. But I should have done them all when I had the chance. I did loosen them all off. But my hands are so oily. Leave that one on. Now see if I can find something close to this, but bigger. Let's try this one with the really long. Let's see. No, I need the next size up. Seven is too big. I'll never be able to get that crunched in. What size is it? Can I get one of these in there? Mm-hmm. Okay, dokie. Okay, you turn a bit. Turn a little bit. Don't fall over. I'll be upset. There we go. Alrighty. That's it. No backing off now. Alright. Time to get the big arrow. Give me a little extra room. Come on. Oh yeah. Next time, definitely getting anti-seize. Oh, come on. You only got a little bit further to go. Come on. Look at that. Not bad. Only one problem child on the whole exhaust. I will take that. And I'm not saying nothing until this is off, I guess. Can you imagine? Last second break. Okay, you're out. You're out. Okay, where is... Is it you? Nope. It was the one I had. There we go. Now, make sure I'm not bolted up anywhere else. Because this thing... There we go. That's out. Okay, I'll get that one out of the other side, and let's see if I can do it without junking anything. Oh, yeah. Oh, you rest there, please. There's that one. You're all out. I'll put you back up into place so you don't fall and... Alright, let's just put one of these back in just to make me feel a little better. There's that. So, with any luck... Oh, yes indeed. Here we go. So one of you stayed in there or fell and disappeared. Okay, I don't know if one of these... Oh, there it is. Oh, and these are in rough old shape. Save you guys, it'll get cleaned up. This, oh yeah, gravel everywhere. What the heck? There we go. Here's a better look at. Look at that. Who in the right mind? Oh well. I guess I will show you the finished product once I get it welded up. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe for more.